NFT FOMO for exotic garbage pail kids. We're giving packs away plus our own spicy rares. Collectables.io makes trading NFTs easy. We welcome you to join our Sense Chat community and more. Hey all you cool cats, I'm Daniel Keys and this is episode 64 of the EOS Hot Sauce. As always, our spicy weekly updates are available in every format. Watch on YouTube, listen on SoundCloud or your favorite podcast player, or read it at EOSNation.io. That's also where you can subscribe to the EOS Nation newsletter to get that spicy sauce poured straight into your inbox. However you prefer it, help spread the sauce by smashing that like, ringing that bell, and giving us a 5-star rating. Let's get to this week's spicy goodness. First up, it's official. We love NFTs, we're feeling the FOMO, and have decided to share the fun by giving away NFTs to our community. If you're joining us for the YouTube premiere of this episode, you'll have a chance to win one of 5 spicy rares, 4 unopened GPK Goes Exotic standard card packs, or 1 unopened GPK Goes Exotic mega pack. If you like collecting NFTs, stay tuned. That giveaway is coming up a little later in the show. Ever since the launch of the Atomic Hub NFT platform, we've been digging into the platform and thinking about how to incorporate these new digital assets into fun promotions to reward our community and increase social media engagement. That's why we decided to create the EOS Hot Sauce collection, which will house the various NFTs for this promotion. The first NFT for this collection, the Spicy Rare, was revealed last week as the centerpiece of the promotion. Spicy Rares can be earned by participating in the live chat of the EOS Hot Sauce YouTube premiere every Sunday at noon Eastern Time. If you're interested in participating in these weekly giveaways, you need to sign up first at EOSNation.io/spicy. You only need to do this once and will then be qualified to win prizes in all of our upcoming weekly giveaways. If you're joining us for today's premiere and haven't signed up yet, make sure you do it before the end of the show to qualify for today's giveaway. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the bell to get notified when we go live. That's when the weekly NFT giveaways start. We'll be announcing more details about our Spicy Rare promotion in the coming days, but here's what we can share so far. Only 5 Spicy Rares are created for each episode of the EOS Hot Sauce. Spicy Rares can be won by participating in the YouTube premiere of the EOS Hot Sauce. Collecting and holding Spicy Rares will unlock higher level NFTs and make you eligible for wax prizes. That means no trades or transfers if you want to win those prizes. Spicy Rares are burnable and backed by wax according to their spice level attribute. Last week's Spicy Rares are backed with 14 wax. Don't burn your Spicy Rare if you want to use it towards future prizes. As mentioned previously, this week we've also added GPK Goes Exotic card packs to our giveaway in order to celebrate the successful launch of this second series from Topps. The demand for these GPK packs was unprecedented. All of the mega packs sold out in under an hour, and the standard packs sold out shortly after that. The 5 packs we're giving away today are currently worth about $100 on secondary markets. We enjoyed spending time creating our EOS Hot Sauce Spicy Rare promotion, and creative ideas were certainly not lacking. In the end, we decided to keep the promotion fairly simple, but we hope to build it out some more in the future if it proves popular. Another popular and exciting use case for NFTs is within various online video games. Examples range from AAA game studios like Mythical Games using NFTs for their upcoming Blankos game, to more indie games such as the NFT-based role-playing game Nifty Wizards. The latest NFT game to be announced, KOGs on Wax, promises to bring the fun and excitement of the classic Pog game to the blockchain. We used to play with Pogs when we were young, and reading about KOGs on Wax brought back many fun memories of being a kid and gambling with Pogs by playing for keeps. KOGs stand for Keys to Other Games, and according to the press release, each KOG is a playable, blockchain-based token for use across an entire gaming ecosystem and will be interoperable with several upcoming games. Players can earn and trade KOGs to build their collection, as well as use them to enter tournaments. Pre-registration for KOGs on Wax is open. Reserve your name and get entered into a draw to win one of 25 limited edition KOGs. Speaking of NFTs, have you checked out Collectables.io? It's an on-chain marketplace for all simple asset NFTs and digital trading cards on the Wax blockchain. The user experience is intuitive and makes trading cards a breeze. We've been using it and are impressed with the information you have at your fingertips, how well it's built, and how simple it is to use. You can easily sort using a variety of filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Are you looking for that special card to complete your set? Or for an all-in-one bundles to fast-track your collection and get everything in one go? Sorting through thousands of listings can be intimidating, but Collectables.io makes it easy. Do you have a surplus of doubles or valuable cards to sell? If you're looking to list NFTs and are unsure about the current lowest listing price, yes, they have that feature too. Collectables.io has you covered no matter what kind of stakeholder you might be. During the heaviest loads after the latest GPK Goes Exotic launch, Collectables.io is able to handle the massive surge of volume and optimize even further. For the new Garbage Pail Kids series, Collectables.io have done over 500,000 wax in volume through 3,500 card sales. We sent in some feedback on minor issues and additional feature requests, like a visual display bug and sorting mechanism optimizations, which were immediately rectified and added. Now that's a level of customer service you can really appreciate. We certainly do, as we can imagine the 5,000 unique visitors over the past month do as well. That attention to detail is what makes us so bullish on this platform and its future. Here's what Syed Jaffrey, founder of Collectables.io, had to say about his platform. I've been a big collector of Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Hearthstone cards since I was young. The excitement from opening packs and completing collections is hard to describe for those who have never experienced it. I believe that digital collectibles are the next step in the trading card game and collector's market in general. Following this direction, we launched Collectables.io, a marketplace for all NFTs and digital trading cards on the Wax blockchain. At EOS Nation, we have many founders who've also been collectors since their childhood and still hold on to their cards. Each one of us is looking forward to new series and how Collectables.io will adapt and grow over time. You can feel the excitement in the air. Check out Collectables.io to begin trading and join their Telegram channel to be part of the growing community. Up next, we've got a special invitation for our community members. EOS Nation is excited to be joining SenseChat to take advantage of the many blockchain-based features that are available in the app. Vouching for users, staking to channels, earning crypto while chatting, and other possible blockchain-enabled gamification are features we plan on leveraging to elevate our online community experience to the next level. Today we're inviting you, our community, to sign up for early access to our SenseChat community. By signing up to the EOS Nation SenseChat community, you'll be first to try SenseChat 2.0, first to join our EOS Nation community, among the first to earn Sense tokens in the app, and you'll be able to join other communities once the app is fully released. If you've already signed up for SenseChat Early Access, feel free to sign up for the EOS Nation community too. This will ensure that you'll be put into our community as soon as the app launches this summer. You can find the sign-up form in the written edition of this episode at EOSNation.io. It's giveaway time! If you're joining us for the YouTube premiere of this episode and you'd like a chance to win one of 5 EOS Hot Sauce Spicy Rares, type Spicy Rare in the live chat. We'll pick 5 lucky winners randomly before the end of the show. And if you'd like a shot at winning one of 4 unopened GPK Goes Exotic Standard card packs or one unopened GPK Goes Exotic Mega Pack, you'll need to guess the length of this episode. The 5 closest guesses will win our GPK packs. So go ahead and leave your guess in the live chat. How long is episode 64 of EOS Hot Sauce? You've got 2 minutes to submit your answer starting now. Feel free to participate in both giveaways. But don't forget, you need to sign up to qualify before we announce the winners at eosnation.io/spicy. Now let's get back to the spicy updates. This week, Lena brings us the 3rd edition of Learning EOSIO with Lena, entitled Build Your First Smart Contract on EOSIO. This article is a review of the second Block.one webinar. Those who want to watch a replay of the webinar in full can do so at the EOS.io website. What Lena offers in this article is a quick overview of some of the concepts that are presented in the webinar, which includes Introduction to Smart Contracts, EOSIO Platform Components, Basic EOSIO Smart Contract Development Lifecycle, and Accounts and Permissions. More concepts are covered in the full webinar, but this article provides a quick overview in just a few minutes. We hope this helps you on your journey to becoming an EOSIO developer. And for those of you a little further along in your developer journey, there may be a DApp bounty for you. In case you're not keeping track, there is now over 2.6 million DApp up for grabs for developers who solve the DApp bounty challenges. We've already covered the Reddit scaling bounty, where EOS Nation has added an extra 1 million DApp tokens to the eventual winner of the challenge, bringing the total bounty up to 2 million DApp. The latest bounties include 350,000 DApp for the DApp Network's Bridge to Chainlink bounty, and 300,000 DApp for the DApp Network's Liquid Randomness bounty. You can catch up on all the latest developments surrounding the Reddit scaling bounty in the 25-minute DApp Talk video with LiquidApps team members Nathan Rempel, David Azaroff, and Zach Gal. Other topics discussed include voice and the future of decentralized social media. You can find that and everything else I've mentioned in the written edition of this episode. And there's some money on the table for all you musicians out there too, thanks to Emanate and ZED.RUN. It's the year 2060. You are in a VR gaming center in the underground of Tokyo City. You don't know how you got there and don't remember where you were before you arrived. Looking around in the virtual world, you see cyborgs, robot security guards, and hundreds of digital avatars. You enter the ZED.RUN virtual horse racing arena. What music do you hear? Think you can create a soundtrack for this new game? There's $1,000 up for grabs if you can. Head on over to ZED.Emanate.live for full contest details. Good luck to all the artists who enter. And let's wrap this episode up with the latest installment of Block.one's Built on EOSIO series. In early 2020, Block.one announced the EOSIO Smart Contracts Challenge with an attractive prize pool of $200,000 for the developer who creates an EOSIO smart contract that can store and invoke EVM Solidity smart contracts in a virtual Ethereum-like environment. Syed Jaffrey was the winner of this challenge, and in the latest episode of Built on EOSIO, Block.one interviews Syed to discuss the various aspects of the challenge. Read the full article to learn more about going beyond the contest criteria, retool in weeks instead of years with EOSIO.EVM, lower your cost and increase performance with interoperability, and discover the true power of EOSIO smart contracts. And that's all for this week's episode of EOS Hot Sauce. We've got more spicy goodness for you every week, so subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for the next one. And if you can't wait till next week, find our previous episodes at EOSNation.io or on our YouTube channel. Once again, I'm your host, Daniel Keys, and we'll see you again next week. Until then, let's keep it spicy.